see how this automation can be created, let's see how this automation is going to work. So as you can see, I have a total of 2 details in my spreadsheet, which is 2 order details. But now when I'm just going to purchase this maxi, automatically the details for the same will be added in my Google Sheets. So as you can see, these are all of my details and I'm just going to purchase this maxi. And as you can see, we have successfully purchased this dress over here. After we purchase this dress, you're going to see this is the order number, this is the product name, you're going to see this is the total, and this is the customer details. So let's just open my Google Sheets and instantly the details are added right over here, be it the order number, customer name, email, phone, product, total amount, or the status. The details are added right over here without any manual intervention. So yes, now further my team can just update the status of the order directly from here. Yes, this is the amazing automation which we're going to learn in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's see how to track WooCommerce orders in Google Sheets automatically. So now you've seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how to create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of order details for free in your spreadsheet, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for WooCommerce. So let's just search for it selected. For the event, select it as new order created and click on this connect. You're going to find the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your WooCommerce homepage. After you open this, from the left hand of the side, go on the settings. Once you are on the settings of this, you have to go on this advanced, and after you come on the advanced, you have to look for webhooks. So let's just wait, and you're going to see this is the page setup, REST API and webhooks. So go on this webhooks. After you come on this webhooks, you have to click on this add webhook button. Once we click on this add webhook button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. It is asking me for the name and the rest of the details. For the name, I'm going to keep it as new order. For the status, keep it as active. For the topic, keep it as order created. And now for the delivery URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. For the secret, if you wish, you can definitely enter a secret, and if you don't wish, this is not mandatory, you can leave it as blank too. For the API version, select the latest version and click on this save webhook button. Yes, now you're going to see that this webhook will be saved and we have successfully created the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, and over here we have received the response of this webhook ID. This is the proof of our successful connection. But I want to capture the order details, which I'm just going to add in my Google Sheets, right? So for that, let's just click on this recapture webhook response and then yes. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's just capture the order details. So you have 2 options. First is you can wait until you receive your order in real time. The second option is you can simply place an order yourself. So let's just go back towards my shop and let's say I am just going to purchase a product myself. So as you can see that I am just going to purchase a product. So let's just go back towards the shop over here and you're going to see I am going to purchase this product, which is crescent moon pendant. So let's just add this product to the cart. Let's just go towards the cart and purchase this product. For that, let's click on this proceed to checkout button over here, and once we're going to do this, you're going to see it is asking me for the details like the email address and the shipping details. So I've entered this, and now I'm going to keep the payment option as cash on delivery and place this order. So I've purchased this product as dummy user. You're going to see the address, the phone number and the rest of the details. So this is the product which I've purchased. This is the total amount, this is the shipping and the billing address, and apart from this, you're going to see the whole phone number, email address and the order number. You're going to see the date, email and the payment payment method too. Now all the details will be captured right over here in my workflow too. Yes, you're going to see we have successfully captured all the details right over here too, and the details are exactly the same. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, you just have to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection, and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you have to select the spreadsheet in which you want to add the details. So before you select the spreadsheet, you have to make sure that you've created one. You have to enter all the details in this spreadsheet which you want to add, okay? And apart from that, make sure you select the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So the name of my spreadsheet is order details and the sheet is sheet 3. So let's just select the same. The spreadsheet is order details and the sheet is sheet number 3. So once we're going to select it, it is asking me for all of these details. So one by one, I'm going to enter the details. But over here's a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, we have to put a slash and then search for the details. So as you can see, over here is the order number, which is 1004. So we're just going to search for the same order number over here, and let's just put a slash and then search for the details. So this is the order number, so let's just map it. Now for the customer name, let's just put a slash, search for the name, map the first name, put a space, put a slash, and then map the last name too. Let's just map the email address over here, the phone number. So you have to put a slash, and one by one you have to map all the details over here. For the product, let's just put a slash and then map the name of the product. For the total amount, put a slash and map the total amount over here. So the total amount was 1999, so just map it. For the status over here, you don't have to map it, but keep it as static, which is placed. So I want this status to be same. So as you can see, I'm just going to keep it as placed, and then further when this product is shipped out for delivery or delivered, then my team can update this directly from here. So I'm just going to keep it as placed, and it will be same for all the orders. I've entered this manually, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And when we're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. So let's just open our Google Sheets, and the details are added, be it the order number, customer name, email, phone, product, total amount, or the status. Not only this, but like I showed you in the starting of this video, that now whenever anyone is going to purchase any product from my WooCommerce, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Check it out. Also, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below, which is RITYT. Check that out too. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.